I'm wearing Shivani Avasti tonight with Minerali jewelry, and I was styled by Purnali Talukdar. So. I'm really excited. I can't wait to see the brands that win. I hope Garnier bags a few awards, and I'm going to be presenting, I think, the Lips and Nails Awards. So yay! I prefer a more natural look. I don't like very deep makeup. Like even right now, I'm just wearing eyeliner and lipstick. So I mean, yeah, the more natural, the better. I love Kangana Ranaut, all the way. No, I've never spoken to her. I'm just a big fan. I'm doing Kung Fu Yoga and I'm doing Ticket to Bollywood. Thank you.
I'm excited here because Femina is about all the females. It says it all, so I'm sure I'm looking around and seeing all the beautiful girls coming in. So I'm excited to see who's going to win the awards. So I'm here to present an award, so I'm looking forward to see all the girls. Let me see if somebody is beautiful, and I'm sure the next option is they would love to come and film. So we'll see how it goes. I feel work out every day. Give yourself some time, because a me time, which they say, if you work out well, that's how you look. You feel great, and you enjoy wearing beautiful clothes on you, and makes you feel very confident, I feel. One beauty will look there. Well, whoever. I'm very possessive about my own heroines. I feel like I always choose the one who's doing a role for me in my films. Like right now, I'm working on a film called Banjo. So Ritesh and Nargis Fakri, my star cast. So I'll vote for them. Whoever is working for me, I like to vote for them. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Sorry? Ripi Sethi. जी ऑफ कोर्स एक डिस्कशन होता है डिज़ाइनर के साथ या स्टाइलिस्ट के साथ कि क्या पहनना है एंड यू नो सो बट मोस्टली आई मीन I get to see options and then I just choose what I feel कि oh my god sorry मैं आपको देख रही हूँ कहाँ देखना है कितने सारे हाथ दिखा रहे हैं या कौन सा ये वाला ओके जी तो मैंने क्या बोला हाँ मैंने बोला कि mostly I get to see options and then I just choose what I personally feel कि कौन सा मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा So yeah. अच्छा, thank you. Sorry? I truly love Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. किसके साथ? नो आई हैवंट, मैंने कभी बात भी नहीं किया उनके साथ.
पहने हुए हैं, I apologize.
Who guides me? Actually, my brother, because he runs his own fitness, and so he keeps on guiding me कि क्या खाना है और कैसे exercise करना है, and healthy lifestyle and all. So yeah, I take a lot of advice from my brother. Well, अभी तक मैं कुछ शेयर नहीं कर सकती हूँ, लेकिन आ रहे हैं, आने वाला है. क्या? If I'll tell you, then you will know ना. तो सीक्रेट थोड़ी सी होगा. Thank you. I'm wearing Namrata Joshi Puri.
Three tips for this Valentine's.
Experience of what? Well, what to eat, what not to eat. I believe in eating clean. We all have those cheat days and stuff, but if you wake up in the morning, you take care of your body, you drink water, you eat clean, you eat fruits and veggies and fish and chicken. I'm a non-veg, so I like all that kind of stuff. But just eat clean. Don't eat processed food. Don't eat anything that comes in a box. Nothing that is processed. Terrible, terrible for you. And nothing in plastic. Plastic, when it gets hot and it melts, it causes cancer. Don't do it. Who do I admire? Other than my mother? I do admire my mother. She's like the most beautiful person in the world. But you know what? I love Priyanka Chopra. I think she's so beautiful, and I'm really inspired by her and her life right now, and how she's just taken the world by storm. And I was just in the U.S. where I'm from, and to see all my friends in the U.S. saying like Priyanka Chopra's name, I get chills. Like I feel part Indian now, so I'm proud of her. I'm proud of what she's doing. I take any beauty tips from her? No, not personally. I have a Punjabi film coming out on March 25th with Diljit Dosanjh, so starting promotions on that, and yeah, it's a new industry. It's a whole new ball game for me. Punjabi, very changi gale. No, I'm just working on Hindi and Punjabi right now. Thank you very much. Bye.
What I want to say about this event. So, well, hi everyone. I've been away for quite like 4 months, and it's very exciting to be back on a red carpet and wearing all the nice clothes and makeup and hair. I'm really happy to be here, and it feels great to be back on Beauty Awards. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Oh, thank you. I'm wearing Gauri Naika from Delhi. Yeah. It's not working? Who said that? Yeah. Yeah, of course. See, I'm not agree that sex comedy doesn't work or they don't like it because. What is that? Yeah, I mean, see, as an artist, you do just films that it works for you, and it's up to people if they're gonna like it or they're not gonna like it. And I think so far everyone has appreciated my work. And as of now, I'm reading a lot of script. I just got out of Big Boss house, so hopefully I'm going to sign something very soon. Yes, I do. Yes. अभी शायद 10 दिन हो चुकी है कि मैं घर के बाहर आई हूँ. हाँ, हो चुका है. एंड लेकिन हाँ जी, मेरा प्लान है कि हिंदी में बहुत मेहनत से काम करना और इंशाल्लाह और अच्छी से तरह हिंदी में आप लोग के साथ बात करेंगे. Upcoming project पे तो I can't talk about it, but I'm doing something with colors very soon again. So it's a very soon, and I think I'm gonna have an announcement this week. Yes. Beauty secrets? I think just keep your skin really clean, drink a lot of water, and for me it's very basic. It's very basic. Just eat healthy and take care of my skin, and yeah, that's it. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Yes.
सेक्स कॉमेडीज नहीं चल रही, आपको लगता है कि गलत है ऑलरेडी?
Yeah? Okay, great. Yes.
Well, it beautifies everyone. You know, it talks about beauty and not just women. I think also men, and I think that says a lot in itself. I think Femina has come a long way over the years. Before it was only about women, and at least that was the perception. But I think it's really cool. My fashion month, as long as you're comfortable in your own skin, I think anything works. I'm pretty chill. I wear what I like. This is all pieced up, separate. Yeah. My designer, Akanksha. Yeah. Well, I take inspiration from I think a lot of people. There's Amitabh Bachchan, there's SRK. I think they're very, very smart people in the industry, and great work. Work gives me inspiration. Yeah. Well, I'm working on Happy Bhaag Jayegi. It's me, Diana, and Abhay. Anand Rai's film. We've got a few days left to shoot, so I think we're releasing this year, July, August, I think, and then we start work on Fukre Part 2. So that's been announced. So. Today I heard something very interesting on the radio, that it's going to be about the Valentines and the villains and their love stories that are going to be showcased. I'm really excited about that. No, but Valentine's is about spending time with your loved ones. 3 tips. Well, if you got to propose, do it. Cliches work. Women love it. And wear your best. You know. Yeah. Third is what? Sorry. I wish I could play cricket with him. Yeah. But happy birthday. I love him. He's too good. The third one, get a gift. Make your dinner. Write something. They love it. Yeah.
Samaya Abdul Razak. Very long name tonight. I think the secret to, I guess, looking good, although sometimes you get arrested, is to just feel good in the clothing, regardless of how people love it or if they like your outfit or they don't. It could be a tattered pair of jeans and a t-shirt, but as long as you rock it with some heels, you're good to go. What to eat? No aluke parante, no bhajia, no nothing fried, no sweets. Everything that you want to eat, just don't eat it.
Any woman who's your idol, admire her most, except your mother or sister?
A woman that I admire a lot would be my mother-in-law, actually. She's someone that's always stylish, always beautiful, always has her hair. The first time I ever met her, she had the most perfect hair, the perfect shoes, and I think that she's someone that I admire.
The Valentine's Day is about to go. Any plans for that?
I have no idea what the plans are for Valentine's Day, but I hope it's something fun. I'll be in the U.S.
Don't ruin the surprise.
Apparently there's a surprise, and I hope there is.
Any tips on your friends, how do you spend your Valentine's Day? What not?
Sure. To all the ladies and mainly the men out there, boyfriends, brothers, whoever it is, fathers, it doesn't always take a lot of money to buy that special gift for somebody. You can buy them a rose and you can write them a very nice, heartfelt card, and I'm sure they'll love it. Thank you. Bye.
मैं ठीक हूँ. बीबू मोहापात्रा. हाँ जी. Well, काफ़ी designers हैं ऐसे, but I think we've worked together. I think Manish is a very old friend of mine, और मैं काफ़ी उनके कपड़े पहनती हूँ. But I must also make a mention कि आजकल के जो young designers हैं, अपने Indian designers, are very very talented and doing a great job. Well, I think मैं गिन चुन के निकलती हूँ घर से. I think family is most important. My kids are most important. So I think I'm very happy, being at home. और अभी आप पूछने वाले को आप फिल्म करने वाले हो या नहीं. But I think I'm not ready right now to do a movie. और जब भी मन लगेगा तब कर लूँगी. Yes. Well, I think according to me, I think style is inherent. Either you have it or you don't. no matter how much you may try, I think some people just have the flair and can carry off certain clothes. So I think style is important. I think I've always enjoyed wearing interesting silhouettes, and I kind of have my own kind of style. I like to wear very sharp clothes, very well fitted, and very good cuts. So I enjoy fashion. Well, I think वो काफ़ी stylish है. I think she's very glamorous, and I think he's one of the most best dressed actors that we have around. Well, I think both my grandmothers. I think they, both me and Kareena, I feel we've inherited our genes from them. So in their own way, they've both been very iconic. मेरी दादी जो है हमेशा सफ़ेद कपड़े पहनती थी, वाइट कलर साड़ीज़ एंड ब्राइट लिप्स, एंड मेरी जो नानी थी ऑलवेज शिफॉन साड़ीज़ और पर्ल्स पहनती थी. So I think we've grown up seeing their inherent fashion, so definitely them. No comments, thank you.
I wish them all the very best. I hope it's a good event. I'm about to go in, and I'm sure it is. Femina, such a respected institution and publication. मेरे घर में तो आता है, बचपन से आ रहा है. मम्मी पढ़ती हैं, दीदी पढ़ती हैं, और मैं भी कभी कभार पढ़ता हूँ. And yeah, I'm an awardee tonight. I'm very proud to be so. And a lot of my friends here. Sonakshi, as you can see on my right, Mr. Rohan Shrestha is there. So it should be a good evening. I'm looking forward to going inside and checking it out. कमाल के लग रहे हैं. Thanks यार. मुझे ब्लश करा दिया आपने. मैं क्या कह सकता हूँ इस आउटफिट के बारे में. I think Rohit and Rahul, my favorite designers. Very very talented duo from Delhi. They've been supporting me and make me look good even before Band Baja released. So we've grown together, and one of my favorite designer duos, and I truly believe the brightest talents on the Indian fashion circuit. मेरी माँ. क्यों उनको क्यों छोड़ेंगे? मेरी लाइफ में आपने पूछा सबसे ब्यूटीफुल कौन, मैंने आपको मम्मी बोला, आपने वापस दे दिया जवाब मुझे, मैं रिटर्न गिफ्ट थोड़ी ना, माय मदर,
The most beautiful girl according to you in Bollywood, sir.
the most beautiful girl. It's a tough question. I'll have to think about it and get back to you.
ओवर द इयर्स स्टाइल के मायने कितने बदल गए हैं आपके लिए, स्टाइल सेंस कितना चेंज हुआ है क्या?
यार मैं ज़्यादा सोचता नहीं हूँ स्टाइल वाइल के बारे में, जो मन में आता है मैं पहन लेता हूँ। कोई कुछ बोलता है, कोई कुछ बोलता है, कोई कुछ लिखता है, कोई कुछ लिखता है, पर मैं ज़्यादा नहीं सोचता हूँ, जो मन में आया वो पहन लिया। कभी कुछ कलरफुल अतरंगी टाइप का पहनने का मन किया तो वो पहन लिया, कभी ब्लैक वाइट क्लासिक पहनने का मन किया तो वो किया। आई थिंक स्टाइल इज एन एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ व्हाट यू आर फीलिंग, एज लॉन्ग एज यू एक्सप्रेस योरसेल्फ विदाउट एनी फिल्टर्स, आई थिंक यू शुड बी फाइन। हाँ, 3 टिप्स फॉर वैलेंटाइन। फॉर वैलेंटाइन पहले तो ऐसा कोई दिन नहीं होना चाहिए ना डेजिग्नेटेड प्यार इश्क मोहब्बत के लिए। आई थिंक एवरी डे कैन बी, जैसे गोविंदा का वो कोट था ना, हद कर दिया आपने में। फॉर मी एवरी डे इज वैलेंटाइन डे, फॉर मी एवरी आवर इज वैलेंटाइन आवर, फॉर मी एवरी मिनट इज वैलेंटाइन, फॉर मी एवरी सेकंड इज वैलेंटाइन सेकंड।
आपकी बातों से मालूम पड़ता है
चीची भैया, हाँ बहुत ज्ञानी।
बहुत निराश हुए कि आपने गोविंदा का गाना नहीं बजाया।
अच्छा मैं बजाओ, आप कहते तो बजा देता हूँ। आज मैं मूड इश्क हो लगे, जब भी लाइफ में बात करने को चीजें होती है ना तब करना चाहिए।
इधर हो तुम, अंदर नहीं जाना।
चले पहले बाइट करो, पहले बाइट लो,
ये अच्छा है।
कीजिए।
मैम जानना चाहेंगे गायिका कंगना जी के अवार्ड्स के बारे में, कितनी एक्साइटेड है इस इवेंट के लिए और क्या कैसे विश करना चाहेंगे इन सब लोगों
आई थिंक अच्छी बात है कि स्टाइल और ब्यूटी एंड ग्लैमर को भी आजकल अवार्ड्स मिलने लगे हैं, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर। आई एम श्योर कि बहुत ही अच्छा शो होगा, एक बहुत ही अच्छी जूरी है जिन्होंने बहुत जिन्होंने इतने ध्यान से अच्छे से विनर्स को चुना है, एंड आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट।
आप कितना प्रेफर करते हैं, ज़्यादा मेकअप या बिल्कुल भी मेकअप प्रेफर नहीं करते, कैसे आप
मैं दोनों के बीच में का प्रेफर करती हूँ। What?